Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the El Pollo Loco, Loco Rewards, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. El Pollo Loco is a restaurant and rewards app designed to make ordering and earning points more convenient for customers. The app allows users to browse the full menu, order pickup or delivery, and collect rewards through its Loco Rewards program. Every purchase earns points that can be redeemed for free food and exclusive offers. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering a simple way to enjoy your favorite flame-grilled chicken with just a few taps. The app's main feature is its rewards program, where you earn points per dollar spent. It also offers quick reordering of past favorites, special birthday rewards, and notifications about limited-time deals. The in-app ordering and payment options make the experience smooth and time-saving for frequent users. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users praise its user-friendly interface, fast checkout, and generous reward system. The app often provides exclusive promotions not available in stores, making it a must-have for loyal customers. Delivery and curbside pickup options are also appreciated for their convenience. However, some users mention occasional glitches with login or reward tracking. The delivery service may vary depending on your area, and reward updates can sometimes take time to reflect. In summary, the El Pollo Loco app may be worth using if you're a regular customer who wants to earn rewards, save time on orders, and access exclusive deals. However, if you don't frequently eat at El Pollo Loco or prefer ordering through third-party apps, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.